But one thing I must give them credit for, that from the very beginning, they were very clear that they have to educate their daughters. And my mother, I still remember very clearly telling me that, मुझे तुम्हारी डाउरी के लिए पैसे नहीं बचाने हैं. I want to spend money on your education, and then I know you will be able to take care of yourself on your own. And कोई भी competitive exams हो या कोई भी important exams हो, मेरे class 10 के board थे या मेरे sisters के class 10 के boards थे या मेरे कोई competitive exam मुझे देना था या मेरे sister को देना था. I still remember that my father would ensure that he goes and drops us. आने का जिम्मा तुम्हारा है, लेकिन as a ritual, he would ensure that he will drop us to the exam center, come what may. He would cancel his, and my mother would insist that I go speak to him, and I kind of pick up the way he speaks. I got calls from A, B, and L, the 3 institutes, and my father accompanied me and dropped me off at the interview center for all of those 3 interviews. When people ask me, define yourself, Rajiv, this is how I define myself, that I'm an ultra marathoner and I'm a practicing fitness. Because that is how my personality has been defined over the last 14-15 years that I've been doing long distance running and that I've been practicing Buddhism as well. But I still tell people my biggest cheerleader today is my mother. And it's the message from the top in terms of looking at what that organization is doing as not just as a profit-making organization, but how are we contributing to the economy? How are we contributing to the nation? Just very simple thing. India today is a land of opportunities. There is a lot of opportunities for everybody. But at the same time, it's also making things a lot more competitive for the youth today. And therefore, they need to find their niche and they need to find their the differentiating factor for them to be able to do well in life.